Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Contextminds. Contextminds is an amazing tool, and I think it will must have to every content creator. And see, it's best for bloggers, content creators, and marketers. And they are saying that Contextminds helps you visually organize your content ideas and AI generated keyword suggestion. So basically this tool has been created only for content creators and bloggers, and it will help you to organize your content idea. Also it will give you new content idea depending on your previous content or depending on your niche, and you can organize the content ideas in visual form. See here, you can see one image, and here in this way in visual form you can organize your content ideas. These are the things. Now if you want to see the lifetime deal pricing of Context Minds, they are offering here up to code 5, and as you can see single code pricing is only 69 USD, and I think it's really worth it to get this 69 USD at least single code, guys. And here you will get 6,000 topic and keyword lookups per month, and 1500 web and AI article suggestion per month, 1500 AI generated paragraph topic per month, and one internal user. But if you need more, if you need unlimited, then you have to upgrade to more code, and see on code 5 you will get everything unlimited, and it's 345 USD. But you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just to go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Contextmind lifetime deal. And see, this tool has gotten 30 reviews on AppSumo. The reviews are very good. Everyone is giving here 5-star review. See, this person has given here 4-star review, but almost most of the people are giving here 5-star review. These are the things. So I think the tool is really good. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Context Minds, and let's explore how it will work and how it will be helpful for us. See, this is the dashboard of Context Mind, and this is basically one whiteboard dashboard. And here, as you can see, you have to just click here on this plus icon, and here you have to insert your seed keyword or your main keyword. Let's say I will create content like for gardening. Just search it, gardening, and then it will suggest you some idea. See, gardening, impact gardening, slow gardening, gardening, then olive garden near me, olive garden menu, garden center near me, where is the garden of Eden, where was the garden of Eden, how to start garden, what was a victory golden. Let's say this one is my seed keyword, how to start a garden. So I will just click here, and if I click here, then it will show you more detail about this keyword. See, here you can also see the search volume of this keyword, keyword difficulty of this keyword. The keyword difficulty of this keyword is 32, search volume is 1900. And see, here are the keyword metrics. Here search volume, ranking difficulty, total monthly click, organic click, then source is spyfoo.com. You can pin this note. These are the things. After that, here you will see the article. See, these are the articles that has been written on Google or on other websites. See, you can see your competitors article basically, and from here you can decide whether you can compete with them. Let's say I want to compete with them, so I'll just click here add, and this is my seed keyword. Right now it will suggest you more keyword depending on this keyword. See, depending on this keyword, let's say here starting a garden, garden starts indoor, and then how to start gardening, how to start a vegetable garden, how to start a community garden, how to start a flower garden, penny black, then rock music, alternate rock. These are not similar to this, I think. So let's say I'll use then this one, how to start vegetable garden. If I click here, here I will see the details about this keyword, and then if I like it, then I can insert to the map. See, it will be inserted to the map, and now depending on these keywords you will get more keyword idea, more topic idea. Let's say now I'll select garden starts indoor. Let's say I will also insert it here, garden start indoors, and then how to start gardening. Let's say I will also use this one, and then let's say I'll use how to start a vegetable garden. So these are the things. And as mass keyword you will add on this whiteboard, you will get more good or more related content idea in this bottom basically. I hope you get idea. Now you can organize it in more way. See there have, if I select this one, if I select any keyword, then here you can add subtopic, you can link it to another, you can color the tag. Let's say I will change the color, so you can change the color and tag. And let's say, how can I change the color? Let me select it again, guys. Let's say here the tag will be starting, and then here this starting tag will be added. Maybe here in the right hand side you will be able to change the color. Let's say I will give this color. See, the color has been changed. So these are the things. Let me change it again, guys. Let me select it, and then from here, if I change the color again, let's say I will use this one, then this one's color is changing, garden starts indoor. But if I change this color, let's say I want to keep this color, then see all these colors will be changed. So these are the things. In this way you can here give different colors, and here you can add subtopic. Let's say if I click here subtopic, and I will add this one in the subtopic. Let's say I'll just add it, then see it will be added as a subtopic. And you can reorganize, you can drag and drop these keywords anywhere you want. Let's say I want to add more subtopic, then just click here and then find your subtopic, find your subtopic from here and then add it. So in this way it will be added. Let me add some more subtopic, guys. Here see, more subtopic, it will be added. These are the things. Now let's say you want to connect one topic to another, you can also do it. Let's say you want to connect this topic with this one, so see they have link to another. And here if I just click here link to another, then see it will be linked, they will be linked, guys. I hope you get idea, guys, about this option. In this way you can organize your link. Also you can give a name of this relation. Let's say step 1, this is the relation name, you can give any name. See, this is step 1 relation. And then here you can also add more step. Let's say, see, in a lot of way you can organize these things basically. Now let's say here I will add another link, link to another. And then let me add, guys, let's say not this one. Okay, not this one. Here let's say I want to delete this relation. How can I delete it? So here I have the delete option, guys. I'll just delete it. So in this way you can also delete the relations if you want. Let's say you want to delete this relation also, so you can delete the relation. Now let's say I want to make a relation between this step 1 to garden starts indoor. So how can I do it? Let me try it, guys. Maybe I cannot do it actually. So let me connect this one with this one, so I can do it. And then I can give the relation name. Let me give the relation one name. Let's say if I double click here, then maybe I'll be able to give the relation name. Let's say this is step 2. And then if I click here done, see, in this way you can organize basically your content planning. That means after doing or after covering this topic, how to start garden, then you want to cover this topic, how to start a vegetable garden, then you want to cover this topic, garden starts indoor. So in this way you can connect everyone basically. I hope you get idea now, but more features are available here, guys. Let's say I will select one keyword here. Let's say I will select this keyword, and after selecting the keyword you will get the keyword matrix, and also you will get your competitor suggestion, guys. That's really important. You can drag it to your map also. See, they have option to drag to the map. Let me find it again, guys. See, I can bring it here, and then this article will be added inside of your whiteboard basically. These are the things. You can delete it, you can see their images, you can pin to note also, and you can add note also here. See, they have note option, you can add note. See, add note, and here you can give note. Let me find some dummy text just for test purpose, guys. Let's say I will just copy this text, and then I'll paste it here as a text. And here is the subject. Let's say this is the subject, and then I'll just click here. Then this note will be added. See, if I now click here, then see here is the note. I hope you get idea. In this way, you can also keep note of your targeted keywords, and later you can find this keyword and you can remember all your idea. Let's say now you have an interesting idea about one keyword, but after maybe 7 days or 1 month you will forget this idea, right? But you can organize or you can keep track of your idea in this notes section also, and then you can remember it whenever you need. These are the things. And then see, if I click here, then they have suggestion. Maybe see, they have one suggestion. So these are the things. You will get your competitors idea here. You can also visit to their website from here. Let's say, see, this is one website that has been ranked with this keyword. See, in this way you can also keep track of your competitor. You can get idea what your competitors are doing, and you can make better content than them. These are the things. I hope you get idea, guys, about this context mind feature. The feature is really great, guys, and this is really unique tool. I haven't seen this type of content planning tool ever. So that doesn't matter if you are a blogger, whether you are a YouTuber, you can be any type of content creator. This tool will be helpful for you. These are the things. I hope you get idea. Also, they have some public map. If I click here, search public map, then here you will get more public map. You can keep your map public or private. If you keep your map public, then people will be able to get your map basically. Let's say I will search here gardening. Let me search, guys, gardening, and then you will get all the public roadmap about gardening. See, these are the public roadmap about gardening. So this one is good. If I click here, see, here is the roadmap, and how amazing it is. See, here you can organize your roadmaps in this way. In my case, this roadmap I have created, it's not looking so beautiful, but you can organize your roadmap beautifully. If you give this type of service to your client, then your client will be satisfied or impressed also to see this type of visual content planning, guys. I hope you get idea about this context mind tool. The tool is really unique tool and very useful tool. If you think you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then I think you definitely need to get this context mind lifetime deal. I'll give the link of this context mind lifetime deal in the description of this video. You can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on context mind lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.